Kind of reluctant, and I said thousands, and she said, yeah, that can be $3,000 to $4,000.
Yashli, come here. Daddy wants to give you something.
What is it?
Like,
She's looking at her sister like,
hi guys, good morning. We still have time?
yeah.
We're getting ready. 7:32 in the morning because we're heading to the dentist today. So Nicole's appointment today, and today is July. Is it 11 today or 10? It's July 11 today, and good weather today, guys. Yeah, we'll be going to the dentist today. It's actually Bell's dentist. Nalaman namin kung ano talaga yung nangyari, what's really going on sa case ni Nicole, guys, and hopefully walang worse na balita. Walang worse na balita for us kasi I'm really hoping na everything that this dentist find out, sana masolusyonan, like not the worst thing. Kasi meron ako mga nakakita talaga sa YouTube na inooperahan talaga sila, and her case, alam ko it's not really like, it's a very rare case na. So sana yeah, the dentist could be able to find solution for this, kasi ako minsan na iisip ko like what if, yung mga what ifs ba, paranoid din ako, guys, but I'm not like my mom. My mom is like the most paranoid one, pero ako kasi mas, yes, na I'm nervous, but at the same time I was like, I have to always think like the solution for that problem. So Nicole is there. Kalma lang siya, guys. She's even awake early today kasi mas gusto niya talaga pumunta ng dentist. I'm wearing this top. Jeans lang ako and then sandals as usual. And meron na naman akong problema. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari. I don't know what's going on. So supposedly nanunlay na kagtarong. Kita pala yung upaw. Supposedly meron. Ang imong kuwan pa, i-half na dire. Supposedly, meron akong item na ma-receive sa post office today, P.O. Box, but I don't know what's going on. I received an email from Shein, sabi, unsuccessful daw yung delivery due to, I don't know. And hindi ko alam kasi last time, diba, if you see the video, I was posting here, someone is actually sending me a gift, a welcome gift from Ma'am Susan, and she use the P.O. box that I sent her, and it's the same address, it's the same P.O. box that I put on my Shein account. So I was like, what? Why? But again, nung nakaraan kasi after we got married, pumunta siya sa post office and sabi niya i-add yung married name. So hindi ko alam kung yun yung dahilan or what, but I'm not too worried about it because I have the tracking number anyway. So one of the thing that we have to do today also after the dentist appointment, we have to go to the post office for me to ask them about the item that supposedly be in my P.O. box. But my P.O. box, makamay talaga, amin ni Bell yun. So what time are we going?
Now.
Now! Let's go! Now na agad. So do you want me to, you said to me I have to remind you about this one.
Yeah.
Like you want me to take photo of that or just reminded you?
I already took a photo of it.
Oh, okay. How do you feel? You're going to see the dentist today. They're just going to check you.
They'll take x-rays today.
Are they? Oh, it's just an x-ray, Nicole. You're gonna look.
Take x-rays and look. And they can
Yeah. Solution.
Where's where? So it's probably normal. They may not have to do anything.
We are here, guys, in the dentist office.
Did you want us to request extras from anywhere?
What?
You're so sexy. You're very sexy. Oops. Why are you smiling and laughing at me? You have a very nice music here.
can't tell, but we will be able to with the 3D X-ray, I'm recommending that, is whether or not that's connected to that front tooth. It is an extra tooth. There's one other thing. It's like a ball, and then they roll out, right? Which just happened recently. She just lost that tooth. This one is still fully formed. You see that? So typically at her age, when we see that, that means it's not going to come down on its own. And so either it's left this way, or the plan is to remove and then bond, just like we were talking about, remove and bond and pull down. It's kind of it's a similar situation.
How do you understand about what she explained, babe? We had two options, removing it or pulling it, but Nicole will have extra. Gosh, I'm sure it will be expensive.
It was breaking it all down, and like any idea on cost. She was kind of reluctant, and I said thousands, and she said, "Yeah." Like because it's going to go. If we go to Dr. Gardner.
That's your ortho?
That's my orthodontist. Yeah.
So her.
So.
Oh gosh.
You know, if they got to move teeth around, that can be $3,000–$4,000. It's just, but if we get an oral surgeon, and then she's talking about having general anesthesia for the extraction, so essentially they sedate her or put her to sleep.
So you mean like extraction will be like cheaper than the other
oral
option?
Surgery? Yeah, extraction is easy, but
it's possible.
But it's possible that she'll have problems.
What do you mean, like had problem later on?
Well, it's like end up in a situation where she has some issues with how the teeth line up and problems with cavities because of the way the teeth fit together.
Even after extraction? Or that's a different?
Well, she has an extra tooth.
Kaya what I'm saying is like, if we're gonna ask for extraction, like removing the extra tooth, that costs a lot. Or
well, if you have an oral surgeon do it, yeah, because they'll put her under general anesthesia. The two choices are local anesthesia or general anesthesia.
So what's the difference between two? Local anesthesia is minor.
So local anesthesia, they stick a needle into the area where they're going to do the extraction to deaden everything, which is
fine. She's doing it before.
Which is painful. And then there's just a greater chance of pain, and when they're pulling the tooth, you can feel it even if they deaden the pain. You're still going to feel pressure.
But not a lot.
They worry about traumatizing children.
But she had anesthesia before on her tooth too.
Okay.
So far away from the post office. We're heading to post office.
We're in Bryan. So 5 minutes.
5 minutes. It is 8:47 in the morning, so we were there for like 45 minutes in the dentist. We are here at Lowe's. Papalitan namin yung hinges, guys. They're gonna accept it, right?
Huh?
They're gonna accept it. Hala.
I don't know why they wouldn't.
Ay, the AT&T. That's not the receipt. Anyway, yan.
Put it in the bag, right?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, titingin tayo ng plants. I'm gonna look for plants again. Si Daddy, punta yan si Daddy sa hinges. Ako naman, ay, kailangan pala ako. Hala, may bagong plants dito. How much? $16. Maganda, oh. $5. Ang liit. Cactus ba yan?
Oh, cactus.
Cactus. Waiting for Daddy kasi nag-return siya ng item. Woo! Okay, sa ba? You wanna try this one? Here, oh look. Pang shade siya sa gawas. Oh, look at this one. Here. Mosquito. Ito yun. Oh, pang plant ata. Ito maganda to guys. Magkano? Oh, diba ako, sa price ako agad. $57. Grabe naman, mahal. Pero maganda siya, oh. Made in plastic to or ano to. Maganda siya. Plastic plant nga siya. Yan, oh. Tapos para siyang yung, alam mo yung native sa Philippines, ang tawag nun, abanico. Hindi man siya abanico. Yung plastic, how, ano yun, tawag nun. Pero maganda siya, oh. Kaso malaki. Tingnan yung mga anak ko, nakahanap ng mauupuan. Si Daddy nag-return pa. Is it okay?
Yeah. What? You act like there's some doubt.
It's different. You know, like I told you, it's more than 3 weeks. I think. 2? In the Philippines, indeed. I want to look for plants. Come, the girls are just sitting there. Dira na mo tayo maglingkod.
Okay. Well, this is not where the hinges are.
But wait lang, I'm gonna look for. Alabwing! Mo yan, maganda to guys, $22. Oh, pang indoor yan, maganda yan, tutubo yan eh. Kailangan lang ng malaking pot. Wait lang. Ito din, lalaki to eh. Yung price niya, tingnan natin yung price.
I'm gonna spend all day. I gotta
Go to the hinges, come on. Ay, mag-BGG pa pala siya today. You can go to... Ay, sige, nasamahan na natin si Daddy. Tara, next time we'll look around for the plants again. Let's go, mag-hinges na takay para mauli na takay. Mantos Daddy BGJ today. We're gonna find the hinges that we need. So we can go home. And Daddy has to go to the BGJ. Hello, that's a very nice chair. $398. That's very nice in there. Where one ba? In black cushion. Looking for the hinges we need. Maraming options dito guys. Oh. Kani ba PC magama ka og katong katubitong ano tapos ilibot nimo siya. This one may nakita ko sa YouTube. Tapos gawa ka ng pot. Tapos i-paint mo lang ng black or white color depende sa gusto. May nakita ako DIY sa YouTube eh. Ganito 'yun oh. Like yung pot tapos nilibutan ng ganito guys. Maganda siya tignan after. Tagal nito makapili. Guys, stop by at Home Depot, the Home Depot. Si Bel lang yung pumasok doon. Hinahanap namin yung hinges. Di kasi namin nabili sa Lowe's. We didn't get the hinges that we're looking for at Lowe's. It's not available or there are so many hinges there pero di namin siya gusto. Or like something different. Iba siya sa hinahanap namin. So ito try ni Bel maghanap sa Home Depot. We are staying here in the car kasi napagod na ako kakalibot sa Lowe's kanina. If Bel is kasi si Bel guys pag ano yan, bumibili yan ng something nako. Lupigan ko, kay madugay pa na. Tapot pa ng lubot, ana. Tapot ang lubot. Sige glantaw, sigbasa sa label. Muna iya. That's him. Kaya sabi ko ikaw na pumasok sa Home Depot. Stay lang kami dito sa ano, sa car. Hopefully he will not stay longer. We'll see. Wala, meron silang mga plants din dyan, ano. Parang gusto ko nang magkaroon ng plants. Yung nakita ko na plants sa Home Depot, guys. Home Depot, sorry. Yung nakita ko na plants sa Lowe's kanina, like it was only $22. Maganda yun para sa bahay. Pang inside ba? And then, as long as I have the big pot, it will grow eventually, I'm sure. And I like that indoor plant. Like, yung gano'n na type na indoor plant. Ano yun? Mas cheaper yun sa nakita ko. Kasi meron akong nakita nung kahapon, nung nagpunta kami sa Navasota, na plant, which is malaki, pero mahal. Like $100 something yung price niya. Ayoko naman mag-spend ng ganun kamahal na plant. Uy! Gosh. maganda naman siya. Super ganda na plant, pang indoor, pero sobrang mahal naman. Anyway. Diba nagpunta kaming post office kanina? We went to the post office earlier because I thought I received an email. Sabi, they cannot able to deliver my item due to this, blah, blah, blah. And then, when we got there at the post office, Bill, like, wanted to see kung ano yung email na na-receive ko. Then sabi ni Bill, oh nga, hindi nga nila ma-deliver yan because they're using a private courier, something like that. Sabi ko, same lang naman na address yung nilagay ko like before kasi diba nag-order din ako sa Shein and then same PO box number na-deliver naman, wala namang problema. So, ang ginawa ni Ben, pumunta siya sa PO box niya to check because he always got mail, guys, mga paper and everything, so he always check his mailbox. So by the way, he added me to his mailbox, so I'm still using the same mailbox as his. He just added me there para in case meron ako mga delivery, meron ako mga item na in order, it will get there. Meron, andoon siya. Diba? Syunga itong Shein eh. Receive the notification says na hindi ma-deliver daw yung item. But then, we got it. We got the items, by the way. Kugawa niya. Yan. And I still have another item that I purchased from Shein also. Like, bumili ako ng bagong shade kasi nga nasira yung shade ko, diba? Yung 1 million shade. 1 million shade. 150 pesos lang yun, guys. It's very cheap. Made in China na shade. But, oy, I've been using it for a long time. Like, I told you. Yung mga binili ko na like sunglasses na pang ano lang, I didn't buy expensive sunglasses at all. Like, it's 150 pesos for around $3 sunglasses. That's what I'm wearing. So, yeah. Hindi po ako maluho, no? Na tao. Never ako maluho. Like, kung meron akong something na nare-receive, like for example, like jewelry, bigayan ni Belle. Or meron akong mga perfume na mabango, bigayan ni Belle. So, wala pa akong... But I am yes, I am guilty about buying clothes. For clothes, yes. But, hindi pa ako ma-luxury na clothes, okay? I'm not really buying clothes expensive, like 1,000 peso clothes. I don't. Yung mga nabili ko na clothes, like whatever I wear, either from Ukay-Ukay or from Shein, which only about mga 300 pesos, 400 pesos, 500 maximum. Yan yung mga clothes na binibili ko. But like yung mga luxury na clothes, no, I didn't. Hindi ako ganun. Preparing that bag for you. You need the key of the car. Alis na si Bill, guys. 10:51 in the morning. 10:51. Did I explain it more earlier when we were still at the car about Nicole's case? So, the dentist where we visited this morning advises us that we have to call the ortho para ma 3-day x-ray daw yung ngipin ni Nicole para makita kung connected ba daw yung tumubo na extra teeth sa mga nerve, something like that. Kasi kung connected daw siya, guys, magkakaroon ng problema. Like, kasi dalawa yung options na sinabi niya. Pwede siya i-pull and then para mapunta siya sa, ma-align siya sa teeth pero magkaroon nga si Nicole ng extra teeth. Another option, pwede siya i-extract, like tanggalin yung ngipin. Of course, one of the kinakatakutan ko talaga, one of the kaya naman, the doctor said no problem. The dentist says no problem, walang problema. Doon na ako na shocked because Belle wanted to know about how much it will cost for that matter. She cannot give us the right quote. She cannot really give us exactly how much it will cost, but she already gave us this guess point where it might cost thousands. When I say thousands, not just $1,000 US, but maybe like 2, 3, or 4, which very shocking. It's very expensive. That's why kanina nag-usap kami ni Belle, like I think it's better for us na magpa dental insurance kami kasi kung walang dental insurance, I'm sure expensive nga. So maybe it will help a lot if we are going to have a dental insurance. Umalis na nga si Bel. He went to BJJ for his jiu-jitsu training. Actually, supposed to be everyday, pero hindi niya kaya yung everyday. Marami kaming mga ginagawa here. We are still like, di ba nagpunta kaming Lowe's kanina, and then we went to Home Depot, hindi pa rin namin nabili yung hinges na kailangan namin. Wala siyang makita. And then, may sinabi siya sa akin earlier that we will be going to Ace. Ano ba yung Ace Hardware? I think Ace Hardware. Mayroon ata yan dito. I don't know, like the hinges, ang hirap naman hanapin ng hinges ng cabinet na to. Kasi we supposed to like kabit na. We supposed to like hang the cover or hang the door for that cabinet. Yung hanging cabinet natin. Kasi tapos na talaga yung paint niya. It was lying there for like 2 days already. And we haven't done anything about it because wala nga yung hinges. So, yan yung gagawin namin. But first, we will be going to SS, Social Security Administration today, to their office. Which change namin yung name and to my married name na. And then, ito na naman tayo. We have so much going on right now after the wedding, guys. Like, after the wedding, the next day, Belle and I went to add me to the utility bill. We went to the bank. Ano pa yung mga pinuntahan namin? Na mga, hindi ko pa na-vlog. Wala akong vlog kasi nga, hindi ako makafocus. Kasi, paspasan dito, mabilisan dito, guys. Hindi pwede dito yung, ano lang, like, pang Filipino time na, okay, walking like turtle. No. Si Belle sabi like, oh, you have to remember this. You're here already. So, always reminding me, guys. Always reminding me different na talaga dito, which I do understand. Like when, like you says, you have a booking like this time, you have to be there. It's better for you to be there early. Yung mga ganun ba? So, paspasan. So, alam mo, hindi ako sanay sa mga ganun kasi nga ako, diba? Like late. Mahilig tayo sa late mga Pinoy, but yeah, we'll get used to it. But I'm so very thankful. Thankful talaga ako kasi si Belle. Gosh. Yung patience niya, guys, sobrang haba. Like, you know, sobrang haba. You just don't see it because I don't really like vlog 24/7. Meron mga moments talaga na hindi ko na na-capture. Like, beautiful moment na hindi ko na na-capture kasi unexpected, diba? So, may mga moments kami na ganun. So, I'm so much thankful and grateful pa jud that I marry a man like him. Like, I think people like looking at the camera and says like, he looks intimidating. Yeah, he looks intimidating the first time that you spoke to him, the first time that you see him. But if you know him better, he's really funny. Just don't know. And he's really nice. Outspoken person, can really like make super long conversation. Ikaw na lang yung bibigay like, okay, enough. Siya kasi mahilig talaga siya. Ask me in history, everything. So yeah, it's just so amazing to have a partner like him. And what time is it? Ay, bubuksan ko pala itong ano, guys. Wait lang. Sobrang haba na sinasabi ko na. Let's open this one. Ito yung in-order ko. What's funny about Shein, yung update nila is like, they always update me. Like, I thought it was separated na naman yung kanilang delivery. Pero I think it's in one package lang. So, itong in-order ko, konti lang naman to, guys. Hindi naman to yung like mamahalin talaga. Just something that I can use. Hindi naman ako umorder ng mahal na things. Meron akong in-order. Ano ba to? Pulo. Anong nauna nag-abot? This one? Ano to? Yeah. Ito yung sinabi ko nung nakaraang vlog, di ba? Yung 4th of July na pumunta kaming Walmart. And then I say na may in-order akong earrings from Shein. Ito yun, guys. This is silver. Tama ba to? Silver? Hope. Kasi gusto ko, alam nyo, it emphasized my face when I'm wearing like this kind of earrings. Hindi pa ako nagsusuot ng sobrang mahal na earrings. Well, meron akong gold na earrings. Pero mabigat yun. Hindi kasi siya nag-match sa wedding wedding engagement and wedding ring. So, kailangan ko ng something silver. So, yan, bumili ako. Hindi yan mahal, ha? Hindi yan mahal, guys. Sobrang $5 lang yan. 3 sets pa yan. Ito, binili ko. I think this one is what? $2? No, 3, 4? I don't know. Maybe 4. Mura lang. Told you. What keeps your jewelry, even if it's not a real gold, this one, yung engagement ko, of course, ba yan? Kasi real gold yan. But this one kasi, if you are not really good at cleaning, sa mga ganitong klase na mga, accessories, kakalawangin, magdi-discolor sila. But what I usually do, if I'm not wearing it, after I use it, kasi, like, for example, sa tenga, merong natitirang, like, yung, di ba yung, alam niyo yan, guys, yung sa, like, in your ear, itong pang-lock na area. Whenever you remove that, siya, like, merong tubig-tubig, something, or white-white, iwa-wipe nyo yan before nyo ilagay sa lagayan. And I have a jewelry storage, like a safe one, like a cloth one. Binili ko rin yun sa Shein, guys. It's cheap, but at least you can store your accessories properly, so it won't really rust or discolor. Yung mga ganun ba? I just learned about it from someone, or nakaka-watch ko yan yung YouTube, but it's really helping a lot. Let me see this one. Lighter siya, pero maganda siya. See? Tingnan nyo yan. Ano naman to? Ito yung charger. Na sinabi ko nung nakaraan, di ba? This one. Pumili ako sa Shein. Mura lang to. $2. Nicolene? Come here. Try this one if this is going to work. Come here. Hulama tong ako ang ulo-ulo. Tapos ka na sa chart. Naman, kasi naka-sale. This is hair tie. Hair tie? Yung pang-band ng hair ba? This one, so nice. Tingnan nyo. Very nice accessories. I think I got this one for like $1 lang. Only $1 peso? $1 piso pag yun. Then this one, cross finger talaga. Kasi namali ako ng pili. White yung binili ko. Ay! White yung binili ko, guys. Instead of apricot color. Look. Laki ng... hopefully mag-kasha. Daisy. You know. Daisy fashion. I love Daisy. I have so much clothes from Daisy. Hala! Kasi meron akong ganito. It was, I think, coffee mocha color. Nag-iisa lang, guys, na trousers. So I was like, I should get another one. And when I saw this is extra small. Diba na pa extra small ang babae? No, size small piling niya. Perfect! Yan, Agoy, mo palit pa kog lain, ani, It's nice. Uy, nga no, maklaro man ang kuan. Ay, ang katom din. Shucks, I think I needed to wear, like, nude color undies. Maganda siya. You know what? I think I'm gonna get another color. This is so nice. Gonna bake country fried steaks. Basahang direction. I think my camera is going to be full na yung storage niya. So yeah, magluto kami for lunch and it is 11:46. But it says oven, ha, hindi oven ang nakabutang. Like, look. Okay. Tinuturuan ko sila para sila na next time. Yes. Ay, ulit. Otro. Hala, giprip. No. Iruha siya. That's a very different steak. Tingnan nyo, guys. Palapad siya. Anyway, we're just waiting, preheating the oven. And let's put this. Madali lang siya kasi 10 minutes and 5 minutes. So, 15 minutes. And we're gonna make the, ano bang tawag nito? Gravy niya. Yeah, something like that. You're gonna read the direction. We are home from the SS office. We made it on time. Hi guys, alam nyo ba? We got there around mga 3 something na sa office. And then, grabe guys. Akala namin magko-close na sila ng 4. Hindi pa natawag yung number namin. 4 p.m. na. I was like, ay, bakit? Buti na lang. I think, nag-close sila ng office by 4. Wala na silang pinapasok. But then, they still accommodate us. Yes, we made it. We made it. And, nakapag-change na ng name ng ating SS card, which the guy says, like 2 weeks it will be mail here. Ashley, where are you? I'll give you something. You want to say something? May sabihin pa ako. Ha? Nakalimot ka? You want to say something pero you forgot? Ashley! Come here. Daddy wants to give you something.
I do?
Yeah. Ayan si Nicole. Ako?
What's that, Dad?
Yeah, Daddy wants to give you something.
Your mother said Nicole's big. She doesn't need anything.
Hoy! Daddy, give it. Eh, si Nicole, Lord. You have this already. You have this already. It's okay, ate. You have this already.
What is it?
Get. Oh, what is it?
What?
Huh? Open it!
What color is it? Whoops.
Ay. Oh, nice. Naipakapi na ano. Sige, what color?
Is that your favorite color?
Dako kay ngisi. Oh, yeah. let me hold. It's heavy though. Yeah, because it's a big Bible. Study Bible, actually. Look. Look. Dako, she was like,
She's looking at her sister like,
oh, it's okay. Nicole has a good one too. Yeah, I know. Oh, mabasa dira. Ato sa, like, on the table. If you wanted to read, like, go to the couch.
I'll show you that Dad bought me this Bible. Explorer Bible. And this is $44.99. Cost $45. I don't really know about their money in here because I'm usually used to pesos. Anyways, so I'm gonna put my name here and the date. And this Bible also have this. It says, what goes into the mind comes out in our life. $2. And then, we got all these many chapters. And this ribbon mark. If this will help you so you won't get lost where you're reading. I'm not really good at English, to be honest, because I'm usually speak, Filipino words. Bisaya. So don't judge that I can speak English. Okay. And it's so hard to never mind, bye.
Ito tayo ng pa-dinner kasi nagugutom na yung isa. By the way, yung Bible pala na nabili namin, guys. We went to, what's the name of the mall, babe?
What?
What's the name of the mall?
Post Oak.
Huh?
Post Oak.
Post Oak?
Yeah.
Post Oak. First time namin na pumasok sa mall. Maraming ano doon. Mga tinda, pero nagmamadali kami kanina. So doon kami sa area where may mga Bibles. Mabilis lang kami doon, guys, kasi wala naman talaga kami plano. But then, mention ko sa kanya, kailangan ko ng sunglasses. Mainit kasi. Yung order ko, paparating pa lang next week. So, sabi niya, sige, punta tayo sa mall. Pagdating ko doon, pagtingin ko sa mga sunglasses, giakak, mga mahal may sunglasses, guys, oy. Mahal kayo lang sunglasses. So, I was like, I'm not gonna. Hindi ako magsusot ng ganun kamahal na sunglasses kasi nga, nagagasgas lang din naman eh. So, Wala. Yun nga, napunta kami sa Bible. Sa area kung saan may Bible. And then, as usual, na niluluto ko, guys. This one is like, I forgot. Naluto ko na ito nung nakaraan. So, iinitin lang natin. Mag-aatay ng egg. And then, lalagyan natin ng cheese na naman. Kasi yan yung hilig niya. Mas gusto niya yung mga ganitong klase na food. I know. Like, hindi ako nag-vlog when it comes to cooking. That's because paulit-ulit lang yung niluluto namin, guys. Bacon, yung mga ganito. So, wala talaga kaming like, very special. And then, hindi ako mahilig magluto din. And then, wala rin time because like, this time of our life, mas nabisi kami yung lakad dito, lakad doon. So, kailangan namin yung something na mas mabilis lutuin. Anyway, nakapag-init na tayo here. Butter. I need butter. Butter is life. Hindi siya mahilig sa oil. So, yung ginagamit niya either olive oil or butter lang talaga. Ano yan? Oh, someone's speaking about trash very late. Yung cheese natin. So, yan. And then yung mga bata nag-request kung ano yung kakainin nila. Nag-ask sila sa akin. Like, yung rice ko kasi paubos na, guys. Sabi ko, sige nga, subukan kaya natin na 1 week without rice. Try natin yung mga kinakain ni Daddy. Na mas, alam niyo yun, walang rice. May carbohydrates pa rin, pero walang rice. Hot spot, Yashley? Hot spot? Ano ba yan? Hot pocket pala. Hot pocket, Yashley? Okay. Try nila yan. Alam ko magugustuhan nila yan, guys. Sabi? Hot spot. Wait, Nicole, come here. You know what? You can do this because you just have to microwave it anyway. Put the hotspot. Remove the plastic. Tapos, ang papel, ilagay mo yung hot pocket. Tapos, ibutang siya sa plato. Or maybe like, sa lang na nalimpyuhan. Ay, nabilin mo na ako. May nabilin. Ibutang siya diari kay. Limpyo man kayo. Bago man yung kainan ko niya. Limpyo naman akong microwave. So, pwede rin siya ibutang sa top. Over. Magluto sila ng hot pocket. Yan lang yung magiging dinner nila, guys. Oh, mix. Tarungag mix. Tarungag mix para ang egg. Lagyan ito cheddar. Cheese na. Cheese din. Tubig man noon siya.
Nakapalit na ko sa kong dream avatar yan.
Usap ni Belle yung tenant niya sa kabila, guys. Anyway, I will be ending this vlog here. Tapos na kami kumain. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Maaga pa sa labas. As you can, hindi nyo nakita. But yeah. Sobra pa talagang like daytime. So yeah, we're done eating. Kasi I have to sleep early today. Because tomorrow early morning, we will be heading to get my Texas ID card. So, kailangan namin early because walk-in yung gagawin namin, guys. Hindi kami makapag-booking. Or merong pwede mag-book, but yung schedule na available is like next month, which not advisable kasi sabi ni Belle, kailangan na namin kumuha ng ID card kasi yung advice is like 30 days after getting married, you have to get it. So, mag-walk-in kami. Sabi naman niya, it's okay to do walk-in kasi accommodate naman kami. But yun nga, we need to be there early. That's because the walk-in, limited lang yung ina-accept ba na ganun. So, dapat early as possible, dapat andun kami po. Para lang Pilipinas, no? Parang Pilipinas, kailangan punta ng early. But anyway, guys, that would be one of the things that we will do tomorrow.